Welcome to the QND Tube channel. Before we dive into today's discussion, we want to emphasize that we are not financial advisors. Therefore, it's important to always do your own research before making any investments. We are not responsible for any decisions or actions you take. Disclaimer. Every day, we are faced with new opportunities to find inspiration and motivation in life. Daily moments are not just routines but chances to open our eyes to the wonders hidden around us. Daily inspiration comes from the awareness that every step we take, every challenge we face, and every failure we experience are integral parts of the journey towards success. It is essential to see inspiration in every daily moment, even in small things. Perhaps it's a smile from a friend, the sound of raindrops, or the aroma of coffee in the morning. When we can find beauty in simple things, we create space for motivation to grow. Daily inspiration is not only about significant achievements but also about appreciating the everyday life filled with wonders. Life is like a painting that evolves every day. Daily inspiration is the brush that adds color and meaning to that painting. Every small success, every lesson we learn, and every moment of happiness are part of the palette of our lives. By recognizing the presence of daily inspiration, we can direct positive energy into every aspect of our lives. Don't let daily routines make us lose sight of the uniqueness and beauty of life. Use every day as an opportunity to discover new motivation. When we open our hearts and minds to daily inspiration, we will find that each day is a chance to grow, learn, and become the best version of ourselves. Thank you so much to all of you who have been faithfully watching the inspirational videos on the QND Tube channel. Your presence as part of our community means a lot and gives us the motivation to continue sharing inspiration. We truly appreciate the support you have given. To continue supporting us, we invite you to subscribe to the QND Tube channel, give a like, leave comments, and activate the notification bell so you always receive updates whenever we upload new videos. With your support, we can continue providing meaningful and inspiring content. Together, let's build a supportive community to achieve the best potential in life. Thank you for your participation and support.